Guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to share with you my actually my take on bag essentials that you're gonna need for the rest of your life probably. And these are my take on them. Now, these are items that I also wanted to share with you guys because they're items that I could also share to you guys or find you guys link for it. Well, not all of them, but yes, some of them, yes, and they are really dear to my heart. And this is one of the videos that I really like making, so I'm glad to get back on it on bags. I really love bags. So yes, I am not gonna buy any bags for this year of 2024, but this is my take on my bag essentials for this year of 2024. Now, the first one, I do have my booklet here. The first one is an everyday bag. So what do you guys think is my everyday bag? It's technically, I have actually before a one specific everyday bag, but I don't have it anymore. I had to give it away. But right now I have a new everyday bag, which is this one. This is my classic LeBoy inspired bag. This is beautiful. This is like a cream color. This is not like a white bag. I love this. This is amazing. This is literally like an everyday bag because it's so easy to use, and I'm a person who actually likes whenever I'm going to like an everyday, like easy to go where I want to go. I don't want to think of anything. This is the bag that I love to use. Now, this one packs a lot of things. That's why I like using this as my everyday bag, because you can put a lot of things in it. You're not gonna worry about it too much because it's gone through a lot already. I got this from Nicole, or from the shop Nicole, but it was gifted to me as a Valentine's gift to me by my husband, or my now husband. Before, he was just my boyfriend. But yeah, I love this. This is amazing. I am so happy about this. This is actually a really great item. Like, this one is great, the structure and everything. And although this is not the actual Chanel Le Boy bag, I do love the design of that. That's why I got this. But it was such a beautiful design that I appreciate. But I don't think I can carry that heavy of a bag, because I do know that the classic Le Boy bag is quite heavy, and I don't like the small, because the small I think is too much. This is almost a similar size to the medium, or the new medium, because it's not as big as the old medium. But yes, I really like it. So it's really nice and casual, and I really like it. It was so easy to pair with anything and everything. Now, I am going to reveal to you guys the bag that I like to use every day before. Like, it's my go-to, especially during the pandemic. But I literally use that a lot. It's actually the dupe of the reissue bag of Chanel. Now, it's actually a color of like a maroon red color, and I do love that. My everyday bag is usually red, but since I had this one, this is like the gift replacement, but this is the classic flap Chanel bag. So this one, wait until where I put this on. But I don't use this every day, just because if I go out every day using this, I think I might get robbed. So that's the take on that one. But yes, this is my everyday bag. I like this. This is really perfect for an everyday and whenever I go out. So the next is the quick trip bag. Now, the quick trip bag, this is something you guys won't expect, just because it's just like a quick trip. So what do you actually bring on a quick trip? It's something like you do for like errands, when you're like really truly going out like really quick, and you don't want something that's you have to like style or carry too much about. And it's this one. This is actually my hubby's. And then this one I really like because it's such a neutral color. I could just really grab it and put my keys, put everything here. I do have other more stylish bag that I could use for a quick trip, but right now, since I am a mom already, I need something that's really just on the go. I really like grabbing this. This is so worth it. And sometimes I actually prefer this style more than the one that's in Uniqlo. I love this color. This is my next one, but this I do if I need, like, I still want to be stylish for like an errand, but it's a color. There's like a color on it. Especially if I just go like literally neutral, like this one, like all white. I probably use this bag instead. It's comfortable also, and it like literally just molds to your body. So I would suggest either one of this. These are my like errand bags. Then the next is my catch-all bag. Now, my catch-all bag is literally, it just catches everything. I mainly use it during the summer, but evidently throughout the summer. And now that I have also a kid, I usually also bring this one, especially if it's just me and her going out or going out for like a quick, and I really need something that really packs a punch, but it's not heavy already. I do have my what's this, my on the go tote from what's this, LV, but unfortunately that is heavy already on its own, and I don't need that when I go to like really quick and catch everything. Like, I really want that thing to catch everything. So this is my book tote. It's inspired by the Christian Dior book tote as well, and this is stunning. This is huge. Like, it literally packs everything. It could pack my everything in my house. So that's how much I like this. This is literally my catch-all bag. It literally catches all and everything in it. So I'm happy with this. Now, the next is my night out bag. Now, a lot of people actually, their night out bag is usually black or something on the sparkle department. I'm kind of different. I really like something neutral, but I don't like black as my night out bag. This is actually my night out bag. Yes, it is the green classic flap bag. This one is like everything. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in it, mainly receipts. So yeah, I love this bag. This is my go-to night bag. If I really am just going out at night, especially like either date night or going out with some friends, this is my go-to bag. I love this because it's so easy. It's different because sometimes actually, like in the bag department, especially when I'm going out at night, I like something that's different. I don't want something sparkly. I don't think I'll ever buy a bag that's full of sparkles, but I mean, there's no hate to those people who like sparkles, okay? I'm just a person who, I just want a different colored bag, something unique, something not all black and everything like that. I want something that still pops as a color. So this one. Sometimes I do use red because, like I said, red is my go-to. But when it comes to like just a night out bag itself, this is what screams to me. Now, the colored bag. So this is something I've shared to you guys. I want you guys to have a colored bag. It's either a bag that really complements you, that is a pop of color, or a colored bag that is your favorite color, whether it goes really with you or not. It's up to you because you really love the color of the bag. Make sure that it's also you're going to wear it or going to enjoy it as your pop of color. And mine, I think since it's the starting of this video already, it's just my favorite. And it's this the classic red Chanel flap bag. This is my pop of color bag. Like, this is my everything. Like, seriously, everything. I love wearing this bag. I love using this bag. This is, if I could use this every day and I won't be worried about getting robbed or anything like that in any area, I would use this every single day. It's going to be overused like how I use the other bag that I had as like a dupe of the reissue. But this one, I like taking care of it as well. I love it. It's so beautiful. This was given to me as a birthday gift by my hubby. And I was so happy about it. It's really nice as well. Next is the neutral bag. Now, the neutral bag is something that I just recently got, but I love so much, and it is my neutral. Although I love the Le Boy, but this one is like a neutral on its own. Like, if I want a neutral bag that's just easy and it packs a lot of things as well, is this one. This is the my new actually new gift for me, is this Chanel 19 inspired bag in this like off-white or beigey color. This is beautiful. This is a white. I mean, you can see my walls and my couch and my shirt. So it's really not white, it's off-white. I love this. It's so easy to pair with everything because, like I said, it's like a white bag. This kind of neutral is so easy to pair with anything. I would even wear this with like a black or all black outfit just because of the chains. It actually will complement it, and it's like my pop of color of bag. When I'm in a different outfit, it kind of breaks the heavy kind of black color. So yes, this is my neutral bag. It's everything. It's like everything I love. Now, lately I've been showing you guys bags that you can literally, they're literally dupes, or most of them are the dupe versions of the classic luxury bags. Yes, because I like recommending them. So comment down below, comment right now if you guys want me to show you guys the bags that I love that are not dupes, that are bags that I still love, I still use, that are not literally the dupe kinds. They're the more like other kind of brand bags, or bags that I don't even know the brand but I still love. Let me know down below and I will share them to you guys. Now, we were talking about the neutral bags, and I said that this like it's common to like the white bag, but I do have my white bag. Since I got it, I love wearing it. It became my go-to white bag instead of my other, like the Chanel reissue white bag that I got as a wedding bag. But this one became my white bag because I really love the style. It's top handle also. It can also be a crossbody. It's so cute, and you guys can see it, but I'll show you. So this is my white bag. Just because there's an issue to why this is like my white bag. It's because it's silver hardware. Now, I love white with also gold hardware, but when I saw it with this, it is so stunning. I didn't know that I needed a white bag with silver hardware, but this one is great. Like, it is really white, like white. It's, yeah, see? You could really see, compared to this one, you could really see that it's almost the same as my shirt. I like this. This is so beautiful. I did put a twilly on it just because I'm scared of staining it. But this bag, it is small, but I don't really like wearing like big bags unless I am going alone and I have a lot of things to put in it. Like when I'm going to work before in outside, I do bring my big white bag, but now that it's just like I'm a mom, I bring a different baby bag, and then I have a little accessory bag here. So yes, I really love this. This has 4 feet also. It has a long strap and it's inside. I really like this. It's easy to style. It's a go-to white bag. Now, let's transition to the black bag. This one was so hard for me to figure out what black bag, because I don't like using black bag anymore or often, just because I did have before like the my generation of like I have a lot of black bags, just because I have a lot of aunts, uncles, family members that love giving me black bags. And that was the time also I really like wearing black, like everything is black. So it was harder for me to figure out a black bag because I kind of stopped wearing them. But when I saw this one, and then I've been seeing it also in a lot of influencers, I really, really like it. And it's not because I'm influenced by them, but I've seen how classic it has and it has become. So when I saw that black bag, I couldn't stop thinking about it. It was really, really nice. But again, I couldn't like pull the trigger on the actual itself, but I do love it. So I got one from Nicole, the shop Nicole, and it's this Lady Dior inspired bag in black. I really love it. It's so nice, and I'm glad it's in silver hardware because I actually prefer it in silver hardware, although black is really, really nice in gold. But this one, especially since it's a mini, I really like it. It's so classic. I can easily pair it with anything and everything. It's such a nice black bag. It's a go-to black bag. Plus, I really like the mini one. It's so cute also, like when you're holding it like that. Sometimes I like putting like accessories on it, whether it's a twilly or like maybe a keychain that is not gonna scratch the bag, but it is such a cute bag. So yeah, this is when I pulled the trigger on a black bag. Then the next one is a brown bag. Now, my brown bag is just easy, just go to. It's like, it just came to me, which is this one. It's my Hermes Kelly inspired bag. I think this is size 21 or 20, but I'm not kind of sure. But yeah, I really like this because it's different from the mini Kelly, because the mini Kelly is lower, or it's not as high, and this one is, and it fits a lot more because I can really fit my phone plus more and other things. And this one is great because I really like it. It's a brown bag. I like using this in the spring and the summer, and also in during fall, But here in the tropical countries, we don't really have those different seasons. But I still like to try to match it in what season it is in all over the world. So I really like this. I like pairing this with different kind of outfits. This is a nice kind of deep color that you can break an outfit, especially if you have like a lot of patterns, because it's dark enough but not too dark. That's why I don't opt for like black bags, but this one is a really nice option. But the only thing that I really wish to find is a brown Kelly or almost Hermes Kelly bag, but in white stitching. This is in brown stitching as well. This is not in white stitching, but I really want that because I really like what it looks like. It's really nice and unique and kind of detailed. I did find one already, but I don't think I'll be able to, I don't think I would want to pull the trigger on that because how much I use my bag and how brutally I use my bag because I really bring it everywhere and anywhere. I don't want to cry because I pay for that price to a bag that I'll just cry and then because I'm not gonna sell them anyway. And then finally, I need a work bag. So for me, a work bag is a structured bag, and actually I have two because it depends if I have a lot of things to bring or I have a few things only to bring. And this is my big structured work bag. This was literally a work bag of mine for like more than a year or 2 years straight. Like every day, this is the only thing I bring. Just because I was in construction, I have a lot of things to bring. Sneakers, maybe sometimes flip-flops just to change on my sneakers. But I like bringing this because it really carries a lot. This is in silver hardware, so it's not as like it's not like as formal. It's kind of like a bit more casual but detailed, but it's still nice of a form, especially if I put already the organizer. It's much more structured. I really like it. It's such a nice casual bag, but also very formal, especially since it's a red color. And like I said, I do love red. It's a pop of color of mine. It's a color that I'm not worried about, although it's bright. I'm not worried that it's going to be too much because I tend to pair it with things that are a bit more neutral than the pop of red. But yeah, I really love this bag. This is my favorite work bag. Now, if I have something that's not as much, I don't bring as much, but I still need it like still a bit big and structured, I use this one. Which is the Hermes Kelly inspired bag. But I think this is the closest to the size 28, if not 25. This one I really love, but this one is in gold hardware, and that's why it's actually perfect because this one I don't need to put too much in it, but it's much more formal, so I can bring it more on formal events if I need something that's a bit bigger, but I still have to go to meetings. So it fits notebooks, it fits a lot of receipts also. So yes, I do use this. So this is really nice of a work bag also, especially if I'm not going to bring too much. It still fits an umbrella, which I'm happy about it. And yeah, I like it to just bring it like this, like not as like fixed and formal, but I really love this. It's great. So these are my two work bags. So yeah, I know it's a bit much and I know there's a lot of it, and I think I have, and obviously I have a lot more, but I really love these bags. They're really great, and I think it's like my accessory. Like I could just go on to repeating all the outfits that I have, but at least I could just play around with the bags and the accessories to play around the fashion on it. So it's nice to play around the bags, and they're like your kind of accessory, like your weapon when you go out and take the world. I hope you guys like this video. I really like talking about bags. I really like also talking about finding dupes for different kind of luxury bags, and I like using them as well. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please like and comment down below. Let me know down as well on what favorite bag you guys saw from my collection right now, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.